What if you accidentally delete an important draft from Gmail? Is there a way to restore permanently deleted Gmail drafts? In this video, we will explore 5 different Gmail draft recovery methods. Method 1. Recover with undo option. If you discard a draft in Gmail less than 10 seconds, the undo button usually pops up at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply click it to recover. Method 2. Recover in Gmail trash. Applies to, the Gmail draft was deleted within 30 days. Go to Trash folder. Find and select the deleted draft you want. Click the Move to icon. Choose Inbox. The deleted draft will be reverted back to Drafts folder. Method 3. Recover permanently deleted drafts and emails from Gmail. Gmail drafts not available in trash? Try to use System Data Recovery. Download and install this email recovery tool on your computer. Open it. Click Hardware Disk. Select the location where you stored the deleted Gmail draft. Click Search for lost data to start scanning. Wait for the scan to complete. Choose Types and Emails. Locate the Gmail draft email you need to recover. Preview and select it. Click Recover and choose a proper destination path to save it. Method 4. Search for drafts in Gmail. Applies to, the Gmail draft was sent or moved to other unknown folder, rather than deleted. In Gmail search bar, type in any relevant keywords. Hit Enter to verify if the missing draft shows up in the search results. If yes, move it back. Method 5. Contact Google Support. Visit Google Drive help page. Scroll down to select Contact US. In Step 1 section, enter missing or deleted files and click Next. Choose Permanently Deleted My File and click Next Step button. Continue to choose Next Step. Hit on Email button. Follow the subsequent prompts to send an email to Google Support. Thank you for reaching the end of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue giving you more useful videos.